Sa amin sa Prison Super Club, syempre, palakpakan muna natin si Boss J, si Boss Chico. At saka si Sir Mark, palakpakan muna natin sila. Nakapunta dito ang bida dahil sa kanila. Maraming salamat po sa pag-imbita. Itong third song namin, tatawagin ko lang yung nasa likod ng aking camera na si Bossy.
Joel, kamura naman! Joel, kamura naman! Ito, bossing Pacquiao mo!
Bossy! Wait na ako na sa kwarto. Hindi mo lang buksan na kala kay Boss. Baka makaslok man. Sorry man ako na sa kwarto man. Hindi ko alam nakalak pala eh.
Aray ka.
Komentado. Mga sa mga hindi nga pala nakakilala sa akin. Ako si Bon, Bossing, Buboy, may-ari na tao sa likod ng kamera ni Bossing Malupito naman. Kaya ano mo ba din? Wait lang. Dami tao naman. Bakit sa sigaw na kupal man? Dami man? Ay, dami naman. Hindi ko napapatagal ka ha.
Yes, man. Ano pa?
Yes. Tanong ko sa'yo man. Wala ka bang baon na knock-knock dyan man?
Knock-knock man! Mahina. Knock-knock man! Viva Hot Babes!
Viva Hot Babes!
Oh, it's you, babe, giving me the courage and the strength I need. Please believe that it's you. Viva Hot Babes! Man, alam mo man, tangina, na-miss kita man. Isang kiss naman dyan.
Bating boy! Puro ka talagang kalokohan eh naman. Ba't kaya hindi mo sila ngayong Pasko, pamasko mo na sa kanila to? Parinigin mo sa kanila yung album mo, man. Yung album natin dalawa.
Sabi niyo eh.
Oo nga, sabi nga eh.
Actually, hindi pa namin kasi ito nare-release. Ngayon pa lang namin siya kakantayin sa Prison Super Club. Kaya guys, ang swerte nyo, kayong nakasaksi. Ready ka na ba, boy?
Ready na naman.
Pakisama mo yung album namin dyan. Yung may mga picture.
Parang gusto mo ako nga. Kaya nga. Para sa'yo ito lahat man.
Yeah!
Alright. Honey, give me this, you come and run time, and give me the courage.
Sabi ko, original sa to.
Did you kiss me about one thing, and running out of my temper? I did not want it, and I didn't want all this time. She was standing there, just everything lies on me. Picture this, we were both looking and lying on the bathroom floor. How can I forget that I am taking in the next to me? All this time she was standing there, just like a little bite on me. Now I'm someone that I'm sorry for the things that I've done. I'm easy to go missing, but it's really putting it all. It's very good, I'm sorry for the things that I've lost. But you ain't been that you're welcome to, but you completely lost. That's why I say, when I get it, don't you come with time that every minute girl is slow down.
Wagi ka.
Picture this, we were both looking and lying on the bathroom floor. How can